Now, I will demonstrate the 8 palm forms of Xingyi Bagua Zhang and introduce them to you. First, the single change palm. I will now demonstrate the opening movement of the single change palm. Now let me explain. The opening movement includes embracing the cosmos. Face nature and spread your arms wide, as if reaching into the sky. Embracing the vast cosmos. Gaze into the universe and project your intent far away. Then, press both palms down and trace an arc to the left. Draw another arc, then strike and support with your palms. From the supporting palm, transition into the single change palm. Now, I will demonstrate the first form, single change palm, left side.